Thanks for taking some time to stop and talk to us today.
No problem. It's my pleasure.
Great. So Dawson, how did you hear about us?
I was my last chiropractor. He actually recommended it, and then I heard from a couple of family members and friends that shockwave therapy helps a lot, and I hear that you're a pretty good guy to go to do it. So.
All right.
Yeah.
That sounds great. Can you tell us a little bit about what happened to you and what it felt like before you came to see me at the office?
For sure. So I was playing volleyball, and then it was just like a regular practice. So I went up to block, and then I came back down, and I landed on this guy's foot, and then my ankle popped both ways, and then I ended up fracturing two bones, and then tearing 2 to 3 ligaments, and then this took like months and months to heal. And then after I started playing rugby, and it hurt like crazy. So I'm like, I have to do something about this. And then so I decided to come to you about it, and it helped a lot.
So the injury didn't quite heal perfectly. Is that what you think happened?
Yeah, because trying to run on it, there's still lots of pain.
Yeah.
So and it just hurt too much to play sometimes. So I had to sit out and everything.
So how much time was there between the original injury and the time that you came to see me in the office?
Probably around 6-7 months. So
Okay.
yeah.
So I'd say even longer than what I thought it was. So by the time you're at 6 or 7 months, you've gone through a good healing stage. It's going to do what it can,
Yeah.
but there's still some residual stuff in there, and then it's just not like it used to be.
Yeah, definitely.
So then we started the shockwave therapy, and for the people who don't know, I started to treat the ligaments in the sprained ankle to try and stabilize that. And then we worked on a couple of the tarsal bones as well, and then we did some muscle stuff too to help rehabilitate that. And how long after we started before you started getting results?
The very first, literally seconds after after I walked out of the building, I could tell that it was better. It didn't hurt to walk on. I remember that practice I went, and even my coach just commented Yo, you seem like you're faster today. I'm like, yeah, it doesn't hurt. It feels amazing. So the very first treatment, I felt way better.
Well, okay, that's great. Results are not guaranteed on one visit. But no, a lot of people do report that. They notice that even after the first treatment, they're starting to make some changes.
Yeah.
And so did you have a nice steady progression after that?
Definitely. The pain before I came, it wasn't even close to that. After a while, just hurt a little bit, but I could easily bear it because it was nothing basically compared to before.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now
it's
any restrictions?
Maybe a tiny bit, but that's just normal, but nothing compared to what it used to be like.
Okay. And what have you done to test it out?
I've just jumping and everything, and some stretches. Before, I used to stretch it, and I could only go a little bit, and now I can go almost to the same exact length as my other one. So
So they're almost equal now?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Okay, well that sounds like a pretty great result for it.
Yeah.
And once again, thanks a lot for taking some time to talk to us. I really appreciate that.
Yeah, no problem. It's my pleasure.